Check out this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include pickup box, wheel side, air cleaner, high capacity, differential, heavy-duty locking rear, four-wheel drive, cooling, external engine oil cooler, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, alternator, 150 amps, frame, fully boxed, hydroform front section, steering, recirculating ball and exhaust, aluminized stainless steel muffler and tailpipe. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.